Hey guys, how we doing today? This is Wally again with LearningNet.com, and in today's video, I'm going to be talking all about hosting your affiliate program. I imagine if you guys are watching this video, you probably have a blog or website that you created, and you're looking for ways to generate additional income on those websites. And so that's what this video is all about. I'm going to tell you about how to get started with hosting your affiliate program, what it's been for me actually promoting it, online. I'm going to give you all the details that I feel you need to do to really be successful with it, and also promote it online, and make some additional income with it. But before we get started with this video, if you guys are new here to this channel for LearningNet.com, be sure to hit the subscribe button right below. Hit the subscribe button right below along with the bell, and that way any future videos, guys, that I put up, you'll be sure to receive them. So just a little bit about me. I've been creating websites online for several years. And during this time, I've been specifically with Hostinger for a little bit over 3 years. Now, with Hostinger's platform, I've been able to create to date 18 websites using WordPress. Let me back up. One of the websites was with Joomla, and the remainder were with WordPress. So I really prefer WordPress over Joomla, although I can design, sites, with it. If you like to use Joomla, that's great, but most people use WordPress and it's just more user friendly. So anyway, I've been able to create 18 sites total using Hostinger's web hosting services. Across the board, they are very cheap. You guys have probably seen, their prices online. They run different introductory prices that are super low. Sometimes it's like 80 cents a month, 90 cents a month. It's going right now, goes up and down. What I recommend off back, even before getting started with the affiliate program, is to actually try out the web hosting services. Just create like a test site using the link below for Hostinger, and that way you guys can test it. Even 30 days, 60 days, test your website. That way you yourself can measure things like performance, uptime. If you have any issues, you guys can reach out to customer support. They're available 24/7. I always recommend testing out a web hosting service prior to actually promoting it. Why? Well, I think, obviously in this hosting affiliate program review, I've used their services. I love their services. I've never had any big issues, with their web hosting, services that couldn't be resolved through their support itself. I think on average, their customer support with the chat, they respond in like 30 seconds. I mean, it's extremely fast, and usually get resolutions within 2 minutes. I mean, it's really quick, whether it's something about plugins or it's about a theme that's been broken or whatever it is. I mean, I've had really great experiences with Hostinger's web hosting services across the board. So first and foremost, what I recommend, guys, for you to really be successful with Hostinger's affiliate program, try out the services. I mean, it's very cheap. They have a 30-day money back guarantee, but try out the services. That way you guys will be able to write, like reviews, Hostinger reviews, online that people actually want to read. And you can explain your personal experience, with it, not only with like the process, of signing up, but just again, your personal experience dealing with Hostinger's hosting services. So with that out of the way, guys, let me just minimize this screen a little bit, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit more about how to get started, with them, and show you some of the promotion material, the marketing material that Hostinger provides, for you. Of course, with any web hosting affiliate program that's out there, all of the companies do provide you with like banners that you can install or download and upload to your website. You get affiliate links for landing pages. I think the landing pages that Hostinger has are very simple, they're direct, and it's very easy. I mean, you can just promote them online through YouTube. Obviously, you're watching this video right now with this review of their program, and I do a lot of promotion, through YouTube and also online with other, outlets as well that I'll talk about a little bit later on. But let me just minimize this screen, and just briefly go over again, Hostingers, hosting itself. I mean, you guys are probably seeing some of the promos that they have. I mean, they have free SSL certificates. The prices are very, very cheap, with their web hosting, their shared cloud, VPS. They just have everything is just dirt cheap. But not only that, I mean, it's super reliable. And that's something to come by with web hosting today, to not only find like a cheap web hosting provider, for beginners, or even if you're somebody who wants to migrate over to Hostinger, you can do that too. But again, they're not only cheap, but they're super reliable. And that's one of the things that I wanted to mention about their web hosting itself. Now, as for the affiliate program side of things, once you get started, with them and you just click on affiliates, you can get signed up, with them, right? And you just go to affiliates, this link that's right here. It'll bring you to this page. And the cool thing across the board is that whatever you guys promote, whatever web hosting packages that you promote, if you want to hone in on like the shared, or you want to hone in on the VPS, or even the WordPress, whatever it is that you promote, there's a 60% um, commission across the board. 60% flat commission across the board, no matter what you sell or refer online. And so all of my reviews that I have online, like on the website, I always have like a disclosure, and I'm obviously going to share that with you guys today on this YouTube video. That if you guys use my links right below, of course you will save on your web hosting, but I do receive a referral from that. And when you guys start to promote hosting or web hosting, to others, maybe on your channel or on your website or blog, you also want to have like a small disclosure, something to work in accord with the FTC. And it's really good to just, again, respect that as well. So anyway, once you click on become an affiliate, it's a one-page app. It's very simple. Just fill out your name, your email. You have to have PayPal to really get paid through Hostinger. Of course, they have affiliates all around the world. It's a European based company. I mean, they do have data centers, here in the U.S., primarily in North Carolina, where I used to live at, and also in Europe. So, I mean, they have affiliates everywhere, guys. And but to really participate in their affiliate program and make money with it, you have to have a PayPal account. So that's first and foremost. Most people already have a PayPal account, but if you don't have one, just shoot over to PayPal right now, sign up for a free account, because that's how you're going to be paid each and every month. So some things that I want to mention about Hostinger's affiliate program itself in this review is that, one, you do have a threshold. Most web hosting providers that are out there that have affiliate programs have a threshold. Some of them are $50, some of them $100, and so on. As for Hostinger, there is a $100 affiliate threshold that you must meet to be paid out, and that's not too bad. I mean, again, most of the web hosting affiliate programs that are out there do require you to hit $100 before you can actually be paid out, with it. Common examples are like SiteGround. There's also Bluehost, several others that are out there where you have to hit that mark. But it's not such a big deal. It's really easy to get conversions, with Hostinger, because, one, the web hosting is super cheap. And obviously beginners online that want to create a website, they're on a tight budget already. So Hostinger it just makes sense. And so once you start promoting online, the Hostinger, web hosting services as well, I mean, you'll get conversions easily with their program, and you'll reach that $100 threshold really fast. So with PayPal, once you get started, the payouts actually go out usually on the 8th of the month itself. So you'll get like an email from your manager. It just comes like once a month, and it lets you know that an invoice is going to be paid. It's like early in the month, but typically the commission itself is actually issued usually between the 8th and the 12th of any given month if you meet that threshold of $100. So I just wanted to get that out there and tell you guys again how that really works. So it's simple. It's really straightforward. They have like in the back office itself, once you get logged in, I mean, you can see like, for example, like performance. You can see that I'm actually making money from it. I'm not getting rich, from this by any means. But again, with a blog, you need to have, it's a good idea to have several streams of income, for a website itself, a blog that you create. And for me, Hostinger is just one of many that I have coming through. You can see your click throughs, you can see the payouts, conversions that you have during a given time. They have reports that you can save that you can reference later on. You can see different landing pages as well, guys, as well as some other features that come with the back office. The payout information, I just touched on it with you guys. They do have an affiliate marketing guide itself. It's really helpful, I think. It goes through a lot of the basics of affiliate marketing and how is it that you can promote um, the hosting or web hosting itself in general. So if you once you guys get started today and you log in, you just click right here where it says, let me go back, hosting or affiliate guide. Click on that. And it's really cool, I think. Just click on it right now. And it has like a nice ebook. It's 59 pages long, so it's a long read. And you can see, in a nutshell, like all of the information that's here, just giving you the background on Hostinger, all of the benefits that come with their web hosting. It goes even over how the dashboard works. That way you can become more familiar with it. So it's pretty cool. I think it's very informative, and it's something that I wanted to share with you guys. That way you can see how to measure your matrix and really your commissions. And so it's really, really nice. Not going to go through all of this ebook. This is something that you guys will have access to, once you get started. And you can definitely take advantage of that material. You can print it if you want. It's 59 pages, or you can just reference it there if you guys are totally new to like affiliate marketing and promoting, things, online. Okay. So they also give you banners, which are great, and they come in several different languages. Also, what's cool about Hostinger's program as well is that, with it, you guys can get different landing pages in different languages, which is pretty cool. So, I mean, if you speak like another language, like me, I speak English, obviously. I speak Spanish. I speak French. I'm learning Russian. It's an extremely hard language, but if you speak another language that you're fluent with, you can actually reach out to a totally different audience, right? I mean, you can create a blog today using Hostinger's web hosting services with the links below, and you can create it in Spanish. You can create it in Spanish, French, whatever language that you speak in addition to English, and you can actually get landing pages in those languages. That way you can send your web traffic, to it. So I think it's really amazing. All the tools that Hostinger has in place to really help affiliates to be successful online. Let me repeat that with Hostinger's affiliate program, you're not going to get rich, with it overnight. You can make some honest money, with it, extra, income. It'll be a really nice additional stream of income to help to monetize your blog or website online itself. As I mentioned before, with the banners, they have them also in different languages. So you can also get like affiliate links in different languages. You can get banners itself. And let me go to the English. Let's see. Let's look up. Let me go to it. EN. There it is. Great. So I click on that, and you can see different banners with different dimensions, different sizes. 300 by 250, 300 by 600, and so on. And you can just click on them, you can download them, and then upload them, to your website. That way, you can probably, use them like on the sidebar itself and just hyperlink it, with your affiliate link itself. And so, again, Hostinger's affiliate program itself, guys, I think it's a really nice program itself. I mean, they have a lot of tools that you'll have, at your access, or to your disposal, I should say. And it's really, really helpful ebook that they have, in the back office once you guys get logged in. Something that I wanted to mention about Hostinger's affiliate program and the web hosting itself is that, obviously what will really set you apart, from the masses. I mean, you'll see a lot of videos online. You may see a lot of reviews online. Just try to create something that's unique. I'm giving you guys my personal take, my personal experience in this hosting or affiliate program review, and that's great. I hope you guys are enjoying the material that I'm sharing with you. If you do, hit the like button right now. I really appreciate you guys subscribing, to this channel and also sharing this video with others. When it comes to like marketing online, of course, video marketing is a powerful tool to use to really, share the web hosting with others. There are other useful outlets as well where you can capitalize on free web traffic, such as like Quora.com. There's Reddit, different social media platforms that are all free to join. And you can get in there and just get involved with the community and use, your affiliate links. You can answer questions from people like on Quora, even on Reddit, and you can redirect people to your affiliate offers, your affiliate links that Hostinger provides for you. So there are a lot of ways that you can go about marketing Hostinger's web hosting packages. If you are into like pay-per-click, with Google Ads, Bing, Yahoo, and those search engines, it's a great way to do it. Obviously, it can be costly. If you do use PPC marketing, I recommend using like long tail keywords itself. If you want to know more about that, go to my website at learningnetnet.com, and in the search bar on the right, upper right, just type in long tail keywords and you can read more about how to use long tail keywords, with your pay-per-click marketing as well. If you guys want to learn more about how to create websites in general, use the link that's right below. I'll include some helpful resources down there. That way you can learn how to create a website if you need one and you don't have one already, guys. So anyway, in this video, I wanted to cover several points to help you guys, again, appreciate the true value that you are getting with Hostinger's web hosting itself. Of course, there's a lot of things that you can do personally to promote Hostinger's web hosting services. But I think that, if you try out the product first, you'll be in a better position to be able to tell others about it. So that's what I recommend and highly encourage you guys to do. I will leave my personal affiliate link right below. If you use it, as I mentioned before, I will get credit, for it. But it'll help me to continue to create, helpful videos that you guys want to watch and also tutorials on website creation. So thank you guys so much for watching this Hostinger affiliate program review. I hope you guys enjoyed the information. If you did, I really appreciate you giving this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Also, tell me guys right below, what did you like most about this video? What did you take away? What are you taking away from this video that you value most? I really love to hear your comments and your feedback on this channel, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys much success in your endeavors of making money with Hostinger's affiliate program. Take care, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.